In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a sales tax template in ERPNext. This is a useful feature to automate calculation of sales tax when creating a quotation, sales order, or a sales invoice. To create a new sales tax template, go to the dashboard and click on accounting icon and select the taxes module. By default, you'll be directed to the workspace for sales tax templates. You can also use the search bar feature for faster navigation. To use the search bar, press Ctrl+K anywhere inside ERPNext and search for Sales Tax and Charges template list. For demonstration, I'll create two sales tax templates for calculating sales tax in India. The first template will calculate 5% GST on the net total for inter-state transactions with the entire tax amount recorded as IGST. The second sales tax template will calculate 5% GST on the net total for intra-state transactions and divide the tax equally into two components, CGST and SGST. Let's create the first template by clicking on the Add Sales Taxes and Charges template button on the top right corner. I'll specify the title as GST 5% and add IGST inside parentheses. If you have multiple companies, you can select the company to which this template should be applied. Next, in the Sales Tax and Charges table, I'll add a new row and select On Net Total as the type. Under Account Head, I'll select IGST under Duties and Taxes account and set the tax rate to 5%. Note that the IGST account is not created by default in ERPNext. You have to manually create one in the charts of accounts. Also, you should be careful that all your sales tax sub-accounts are under duties and taxes and not under tax assets. This is because sales tax are liabilities of your companies and not an asset. Finally, to save this sales tax template, click the Save button on the top right corner. Let's create the second template by clicking on the Add Sales Taxes and Charges template button on the top right corner. I'll specify the title as GST 5% and add CGST plus SGST inside parentheses. In the Sales Tax and Charges table, I'll add a new row and select On Net Total as the type, and under Account Head, I will select CGST under Duties and Taxes account and set the tax rate to 2.5%. I will add another row and select On Net Total as the type, and under Account Head, I will select SGST under Duties and Taxes account and set the tax rate to 2.5%. Like IGST, you have to manually create CGST and SGST account under Duties and Taxes. Finally, I'll save this template by clicking the Save button on the top right corner. You have the option to set one of the sales tax template as the default for all your sales transactions. For example, I will set the sales tax with 18% IGST as the default template. Now, if I create a sales invoice, ERPNext will automatically use the default tax template to calculate sales tax. For a more precise control over how different sales tax templates are automatically applied to different customers and items, use the tax rule feature.